Getting do-it-yourself pest control products right starts with accurate pest identification, and extension diagnostic mail-in kits are one of the most reliable ways to confirm exactly what you are dealing with before you spray anything. These kits usually walk you through collecting a specimen, and it matters that you follow every step, including how to catch, store, and package the insect or plant material so it arrives intact and identifiable. Use a clean, crush-resistant container like a small vial or sturdy plastic cup with a secure lid, and if the kit says to freeze or preserve the specimen in rubbing alcohol, do that so the body parts stay firm enough for the lab to examine under a microscope. Add a printed photo of the pest in its normal setting, such as on the plant leaf, baseboard, or pet bedding, because sometimes the posture, color in natural light, and behavior give extra clues the dead specimen cannot. The habitat notes you include are just as important as the insect itself, so briefly describe where you found it, how many you see, the type of building or plant, and any patterns you notice, such as activity only at night or only in the kitchen. When you mail the kit, write clearly, avoid strong scents like air fresheners in the shipping box, and send early in the week so the package does not sit in a hot warehouse over a weekend. Once you get the identification and management guidance back, use it to choose a do-it-yourself product that specifically lists that pest on the label and follow the mixing, placement, and safety directions exactly, including protective clothing and re-entry times. A lot of people either send in a smeared or dried up specimen, which makes identification guesswork, so slow down and use a rigid container plus any preservation steps the kit recommends. Others forget to include habitat and photo notes, so the lab sees an insect but has no context, and you can fix that by always adding 2 or 3 sentences about where and how you found it, along with at least one clear, close photo from your phone. A third common issue is ignoring the guidance when it arrives and reaching for a broad spectrum product that hits everything, which wastes money and raises risk. So instead, match the exact pest name and site written in the lab report to the words on the product label and only treat where and when they advise. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make this process easier by helping homeowners use accurate pest identification to find local contractors who are comfortable working with extension lab results and targeted do-it-yourself friendly control plans. On our site, contractors can list their services, homeowners can post jobs, and our discussion community lets everyone share experiences using extension diagnostic kits, compare product choices, and troubleshoot pest problems together.